welcome back to the Review Garage, your pit stop for everything fast, futuristic, and flat-out awesome in the world of cars. If you love the smell of burnt rubber and the roar of a powerful engine, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an unveiling, breakdown, or wild ride review. Today, we've got something truly special. It's loud, it's aggressive, and it's a legend reborn. Ford has officially pulled the covers off the next generation 2026 Ford Falcon GT. And trust us, this beast is back with a vengeance. For years, the Falcon GT has held a sacred place in the hearts of muscle car lovers, especially down under. It's been a symbol of raw power, aggressive styling, and V8 thunder. After a long hiatus and endless speculation, Ford has answered the call. The 2026 Ford Falcon GT is no retro throwback. It's a bold, modern muscle car engineered for a new era. Without forgetting its roots, let's start with what's under the hood, because that's what everyone's been dying to know. Ford has equipped the new Falcon GT with a re-engineered 5.0-liter twin-turbocharged Coyote V8 that pushes out a jaw-dropping 620 horsepower and 580 lb-ft of torque. That's right, no hybrid, no EV gimmicks, just pure V8 power, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 10-speed performance automatic. 0 to 60? A neck-snapping 3.4 seconds. But power is nothing without control, and Ford knows that. The 2026 GT comes with an upgraded MagneRide adaptive suspension system, custom-tuned specifically for high-speed grip and aggressive cornering. Massive Brembo brakes on all four corners ensure it stops as fiercely as it accelerates. Whether you're on the track or the highway, the Falcon GT is built to dominate. Now let's talk design, because this isn't just a muscle car, it's a statement. The exterior is a blend of modern muscle and iconic legacy. From the menacing front grille and LED matrix headlights to the sculpted hood with functional heat extractors, everything screams performance. The rear features quad exhaust tips, a carbon fiber diffuser, and a bold GT badge that lets everyone know this isn't just another Ford. And the 20-inch forged alloys wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport rubber? They're not just for show, they mean business. Inside, it's all about the driver. The cockpit is performance-focused, yet surprisingly refined. You get a fully digital 12.4-inch instrument cluster, a race-inspired flat-bottom steering wheel, Recaro bucket seats with GT embroidery, and Ford's latest SYNC 5 infotainment system on a 13-inch touchscreen with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And yes, there's a heads-up display, ambient lighting, and even track telemetry built in. Ford didn't cut corners, they carved them. And while it's still a muscle car at heart, the 2026 Falcon GT is packed with advanced safety and driver assistance tech. We're talking adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a full suite of sensors for both daily drivability and high-performance confidence. Ford has confirmed that the Falcon GT will be a limited production model, with just 3,000 units available worldwide. That means collectors and hardcore enthusiasts are already racing to reserve theirs. It will be available in exclusive launch colors like Velocity Blue, Shadow Black, and GT Heritage Orange, paying tribute to classic Falcon liveries. So what's the verdict? The 2026 Ford Falcon GT isn't just a return, it's a rebirth. A full-throttle, unapologetic V8-powered comeback that combines tradition and innovation in one brutally beautiful package. It's everything we hoped for and more. That's it for today's deep dive from the Review Garage. Let us know in the comments, are you ready to see the Falcon GT tear up the streets again? And if you had the keys for one day, where would you take it? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow car lovers. Until next time, keep it fast, keep it loud, and keep it locked right here.